Hey YouTube! So today we're going to unbox this. It's a Christmas gift. It came late. So yeah. So first thing, I don't know what's inside, and yeah, let's unbox this. So slowly unbox this thing. Slowly. Ah. It's a tech deck. So yes, a tech deck. So it's the Enjoy series 2, and this is the board. It's so yeah. It's here. It says common, rare, ultra rare. So this is ultra rare. So this is the board, the poppies thingy, and this is the board. So yeah, it's ultra rare. So I'm glad we have an ultra rare tech deck. I think I'm gonna enjoy this. Like I said, enjoy. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and we're going to unbox this thing and see what's inside. So slowly. There we go. So here's the packaging. It comes with 4 wheel stickers, multi-tool, and a tech deck with wheels. So yeah, we're going to unbox this thingy. Yeah, the packaging is kind of hard. I don't know what I'm doing there. So here it goes. This is a late gift. Oh, what's that for? It's a wheel. So it's the wheel, the first wheel that came out. So I put the wheels here. If you can see, let's just clear it away. And here's are the wheels. Here, here. Here are the 2 more wheels. So here. And 1 last wheel. So here. So here's the multi-tool. Oh yeah, I forgot. No. There is a stand every time you purchase a tech deck. Unlike before, there are no stands. Only sometimes I'll put the stand here, right there, boom. So here is the stickers. I really love the stickers because I can put it on my laptop or somewhere. Yeah, remember the sticker is this. You can stick it anywhere. There is like a paper cover. You can remove it, but it's just hard. So here's the board. Oh yeah, the multi-tool alert. So it's getting off there. The multi-tool is here. So here's the stickers. Here's the stand. Here's everything. Just show that. And here's the tech deck. So I really like this board. Here, see? Here's the view close up. So here's the tech deck. So it's like there's different kinds of dogs. Retriever, I think golden retriever, some others. So let's check how the board plays. Whoa, it plays like the other board, like the other one is called toy machine, and it's the same length and the same width, and yeah. So here's the board, here's the front, zoom in. So here's the board, and here's the board also. Here's the logo with the grip tape on it, and then the wheels. So these 4 normal wheels and 4 extra cool wheels. So we're going to try this on the stand before I get playing it. There we go. So it's the stand, tech deck stand. Wait. There we go, it's the tech deck stand. So just remove it off, and it's the tech deck. And here's the multi-tool. We'll try to adjust some of our wheels. And yes, it can work. So you can adjust it. And here are the wheels, which I'm not going to equip today. So we're going to play with this. I'm going to try to do some ollie, some things. Ollie. Oh man. Never mind that. So okay, let's just get back playing with this. So I really like this, and is the same as like a toy machine. Those two are ultra rare, and this is an ultra rare board too. So if you see my previous video, it's a Jake Snake unboxing and giveaway. So the giveaway I already told that my other video. So he must reply his address on maybe on my email. I already put my email on the comment section below on my other video, the Jake Snake unboxing, and I already put my email there. And here Kobo won. So yeah, he's very lucky. So there are more giveaways in the future. Remember, do not unsubscribe because you might win next time. And if you subscribe, make your subscription public and make it good and try to praise the win. So I really hope this step deck helps you to purchase a toy. Remember, this is an ultra rare, so get it quickly as you can. There is I bought this at Mega Mall. So Mega Mall. So yeah, someone just did it. So guys, if you really like this tech deck unboxing, I hope you like it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.